أعزائي المشاهدين، أهلا وسهلا بكم من جديد مع برنامجكم الأسبوعي برنامج إماراتي. كما عودناكم في كل أسبوع نستضيف لكم خيرة من دولة الإمارات. قصة نجاح أتتنا إلى الدولة منذ سنتين. Mr. Anas, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We are so lucky to be here with you in Dubai. Our team said to you, welcome in our program.
Thank you so much for visiting me.
And we would like to know about yourself. Who's Anas when he came to this country at the first time and what he's doing at this moment?
My name is Ans Farooq and I'm the owner and the shareholder of KNOX prison company in Dubai. We came here in 2021, and from 2021 since we are just growing in Dubai in the solar energy sector especially. And now we are moving and expanding our business to some new regions and new sectors like the other GCC countries, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, and especially to Pakistan.
Mr. Anas, so you finished your education level, we can say it, in 2008, right?
Yes.
And then you work as an employee first, or you open business direct?
Actually, I was always focused on entrepreneurship. So I have never done any job in my career. I started my own business in 2011, and then from there we grow and grow. And first we opened the company in Pakistan. KNOX is a very leading brand in Pakistan now. And after the successful integration in Pakistan, we went forward to explore some more markets. Then we decided to do the business in United Arab Emirates because it's very easy to do business, and there's a lot of plenty of sunlight here. So we have a very good chance to integrate the solar energy, and we can tap that market first.
Solar energy that you choose, how is the idea start building in your mind?
Actually, it starts from the very beginning of my educational career because I have done Master of Science in Physics and also the Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. So both of my research works are in solar energy sector. So it's from the very beginning that I love to play with the solar energy. So I decided to keep this as my career.
Before you come to this country, you know there is big challenge in this country. So you need to prepare yourself before you come. So what you make your company ready that you say, I will open in UAE?
Actually, UAE has a very good ties with our own home country. So I really don't feel as a migrant or as an expat in this country. So I feel very comfortable doing business. The system is so comfortable. They are always supporting. The departments are so collaborating with each other that we never feel that we are in outside of our home country.
Within 2 years, you opened 3 companies in Dubai,
Yes.
right? So always when we want to start our own business in other country, we need to make our research, right? You start suggested or asking your friends or online, how you start or say, I will open in Dubai?
Actually, this is the time of social media. So social media is actually the power. So by doing the social media, you can tap any country, any customer, anywhere in the world. So by establishing a company in United Arab Emirates, especially in Dubai, it's very easy to get hold onto the other markets. We are centric and we are just focused on the Dubai market also, but we are also focused. We also have a vision to grow globally.
When you build your own brand,
Yes.
which year?
We have established our own brand in 2018.
18.
Yes.
2022, we can say that Dubai vision going always to go green as a sustainable community. That means we have many brands, many people here, they have same concept that you have. But what's the difference between yours and the others?
The difference is actually the technology adaptation. We are having a great adaptation to the technology that we are taking the feedback from the market, we are taking the feedback from the customers, and then changing our products as per the customer demand. Most of the people, most of the brands are just stuck to the technology where they are in 2018 or 2017 or 2020. But we keep on changing the products, we keep on updating the products. Our all products are smart, integrated with our application, integrated with our online systems.
KNOX or the high, the top, you will choose the name, right?
KNOX means actually height. So I wish I could see in my life the highest point of the KNOX.
And where we can find your company online?
Online, you can find our company on the Facebook pages. We have the KNOX Solar, we have the KNOX Global, we have the KNOX Free Zone company also. And you can also follow us on the Instagram, and you can also visit our website, knoxfzco.com.
When we talk about the company, it's need people or soldiers that working with us, and like your employees. So more than 20 employees in this country and more than 600 out of the country. So how did you choose them first?
Actually, the team is actually your pillars. So our company has more than now, alhamdulillah, 600 employees.
MashaAllah.
So we are growing very fast. This is just because of my team, my pillars, and in Dubai, UAE, we have more than 20 employees, and inshallah, in the next coming years, we will expand it to double our workforce here.
When we talk about solar panels, so I need to talk about some problem that dust resist or dust proofing. Do you have this technology also?
Actually, dust proofing or dust is now not a problem. Actually, there are a number of new technologies, like we do some kind of nanotechnology layer on the solar panels that will not allow to retain the dust on the solar panels. So you just have to do a normal washing or something like that, it will remove the dust.
Did you find solution for the towers, because we have a high tower, so the solar panel, it will not cover it all. So what's the solution in this?
Actually, for these solutions, we have the nanotechnology solution for that also. So for especially that is happening in the winters when there is some kind of dew factor on that, and that time you need to do the cleaning. But before that, all of the year, it's not a problem for the cleaning.
Your product manufacturing where?
We are collaborating actually with the leading manufacturers from the China, Germany, Netherlands, Hungary. And we are focused on the quality. KNOX is all about the quality.
We need to talk about something more important. It's storage or the batteries that we want to use, and it should be safe, because the country should be safe. We are in safest country. What the batteries you have?
Batteries, in the battery sector, we have the very smart energy storage systems equipped with the lithium-ion batteries. That is the most advanced technological innovation right now in the world.
It's not danger.
It's not dangerous. If you use it with the proper equipment, if you use it with the compatible inverters, if you use it with the compatible equipment, that is not dangerous. But if you are using that kind of batteries with the non-standard, non-compliant and non-standard inverters, then it will be a dangerous thing.
Sometimes the solar panel, when he generates the power for us, coming for us some frequency or some, we can say, waves, it's coming, it's affected some radio around or some things. So how did you solve this problem?
Actually, there is nothing like this, okay? This is all about the system integration. If the system integration is done right, then there is no harmonics in the, or the waves in the atmosphere.
At all?
No, at all.
Mr. Anas, what's the next step in this business?
Sorry?
Next step in the business, what you want to do?
Okay, next step is to grow globally actually. From Pakistan to UAE, UAE to GCC market, and now we are just expanding our operations to the UK market. We have already registered our company in UK, and inshallah by the next year, we will expanding our operations and the product portfolio to the UK and the MENA region especially.
You are supplying only, or you are also installing?
Actually, KNOX is actually a brand. Okay, so we are always focused on doing the partnerships and the collaboration with the industry leading installers and the system integrations.
This installer, they need some time to special training, or you need to give them some courses to how to use your product?
Actually, for every product, we have the online and offline trainings. Especially for our installers, especially for the system integrators. And you know what, we are also arranging the training sessions for our customers, for the end users, to help them better understand that how our product is working.
And over the world, where we can find your products? Which country is that?
Over the product, I wish I could see my product all over the world.
Inshallah.
But in this year, we're focused especially in the local Dubai market and in the GCC region.
Inshallah.
So by the next year, we will go globally, more global in the UK and South Africa and some other countries.
When I talk about the challenge here, and His Highness mentioned in his book, Sheikh Mohammed, it's hard to be number one, but the hardest to stay on the same level. So how you can be sustainable during this challenge around you?
By giving the more and more cost-effective solutions, by giving the good after-sales services, and by providing the industry-leading customer solutions. So that is the key to be sustainable in this country.
Why didn't it move to the lights? Because solar and LED, they are together working.
Actually, these are, for the layman, it's the same thing. But for me, I have to do business in the specific line. If I can just cover this line, I think I can just spend all of my life in this. And this technology is so wide, so big that I cannot cover that.
We know that the supplier, if he have stock enough in the country, so he will be good, because the warranty, we can say, is how can he deliver the item so as much as he can with the fastest way. Is there any warehouses or stocks in this market?
Yes, this is actually, most of the customers do the same question to us. We have a warehouse in Jebel Ali Free Zone. Okay, we have the stock in Saudi Arabia also. So for the GCC region, we don't have any warranty claim issues right now, because we have the ready stock. And if there is no ready stock, we can just give them the one-to-one replacement with some more compatible or the higher specs inverters.
It's not only warranty, we can say after sales service is more important than this. How you handle it?
We have, like, out of the 20 or 25 employees in the UAE region, we have 4 or 5 sales and services engineers that are dedicated to giving the highest level of services and the technical assistance to our installers and system integrations. And if some of the customer is directly approaching us for the technical issues, we are also taking care of that thing.
So actually, if I ask you, who built your character?
For this thing, obviously, my teachers from the educational background who teach us very well, and my partners who are doing business with me. This is just the work of the collaboration. I cannot say this is the work of one person.
Right. Mr. Anas, this country open hand for everyone to come here to find his opportunity. So they need an advice from you before they come. So what you will advise the newcomers?
For the newcomers, it's a very good country to the business. They are giving very good tax reliefs to the new entrepreneurs. And I should advise them, if you want to come here in Dubai, establish a company. And it is very easy to approach new markets from here in Dubai. But keep in mind that there is nothing like a piece of cake. You must have to do some effort. You must have to do something to achieve something. It's not like that you just established a company and you earning money right from the first day. You must have to do some efforts for that.
One of the biggest events that Dubai make it before 1 year, COP28. When we talk about COP28, they talk about the electric car and the charging, and the problem that we don't have fair enough areas to charge the cars in the stations or in the mall. Did you find solution for that?
Yeah, actually we are focusing on electric mobility. So for this we have expanded our portfolio to EV chargers now. So we are focusing on the high speed and high efficiency EV chargers, especially for the townhouses, especially for the malls. Because the chargers that are coming with the car as a standard accessory are not the fast chargers. They need to have a separate fast charger in their houses. So when this infrastructure will develop, like the more advanced countries, then you will see many big cars, many EVs on the roads in the future.
And it will be solar panel also, or directly?
Yes, the good thing is this, that it can be, the EV chargers can be coupled with the solar energy. So if you are charging your car, your solar panel is being utilized by that. Okay, if you are not charging your car, your house is utilizing that solar energy. This is actually the smart energy system.
If we will compare the quality with the prices, what's the equal?
Actually, for the quality and the price, quality comes with the price. Okay, but in the KNOX products, you will find the quality in a very reasonable price.
How?
How? Because we are dealing in a very big number of equipment. Okay, so we have a very less cost of manufacturing, and we are doing the operations globally. So we don't have to stuck with the stock. Okay, when we manufacture a lot of stock, our cost comes down. Then we compete in the cost actually.
Masdar has built the biggest solar panel area in the world. So why you didn't come when Masdar was planning to open?
Actually, I told you that we are only the equipment supplier, and we try to focus on the installers and the system integrators. Okay, but for the next projects, hopefully we will have a collaborations with some Dubai-based and UAE-based companies to introduce our products in some bigger projects in UAE.
The event was here. You was with them with Witix last year. So what you was doing that time?
I attended that exhibition, and that was a very good exhibition. It's one of the biggest exhibition there, and some of the other like Middle East Energy is coming in April. So we are having a participation in that also.
If I say behind the businessman there is a woman, you agree?
You can say, but for me, my mother is more important than that.
What she built in your character?
She always advised me to be humble, be quiet. If someone is doing something to you, just be quiet and just be consistent to your work. The consistency is actually key.
Finally, this country which give us the opportunity and give us all the things ready to build our business or our career. What we have to say for your leaders and government for all this opportunity?
For His Highness and the country, I really like to thank to give me the opportunity to do business from Dubai and from the United Arab Emirates. I got a chance to tap the other global markets. If I was in my home country or something like this, maybe I cannot grow that fast that I have grown in last 2 years. And I especially like to thanks to the Dubai Economic Department and other departments that are just join hands and given us the opportunity to do the business.
And from our side, Mr. Ans, we will say to you, thank you so much for spending your time with our team, and welcome again in Emirat.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for